Welcome back, everyone. Right here is just a tease as to what's going to be coming in the rest of the video. So don't skip ahead and watch the whole thing, and you'll see David's birthday week celebration, but the biggest bonfire you've ever seen.
Happy birthday, David.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Here it goes. There it goes still.
Welcome back, everyone. This is the second part. Well, if you've watched the first video of making the bonfire, building the bonfire, this week has been a birthday week celebration of my son David, who would have been 31. Last year, I guess 30 is more of a milestone. He was killed at age 29. So I would say that, you know, 30 would be the one to do, but there was no way that last year I could do this. Um, so I felt that this year is why I wanted to do this. And I didn't invite a lot of people. I invited a couple of people who couldn't make it, but mostly it's family and people that knew David and people that David admired and loved. So I didn't want to just invite just anyone. Um, it's a very difficult time. I hope that nobody ever has to know. I know a lot of people don't understand. They think I should be over it by now or whatever. I just pray that anybody that thinks those things, they never have to know how difficult this is for me. And I'd like to thank Wendy for helping me through. Obviously, it's almost 21 months. And my daughter Brittney, um, especially on this trip, who has helped me not only video a lot of this, what you'll see, she's videoed, but just being here, and she loved David and just participating in this whole. I don't want to say event because that sounds kind of crazy, but I don't know what it is. I'm not a wordsmith, but I thank her for being here. Obviously, uh, my son-in-law Kevin for being here. He helped me a lot, doing a lot around the farm here, um, which was very helpful. And so a lot of the video you're going to see here isn't from me taking it. It's Brittney taking it, Kevin taking it. Um, but I think this will give you an insight into what we did for this upcoming week. The bonfire being tomorrow, and I just wanted to come right out and thank them. Brittney has come out and done more than she needed to do. Let me spin around and show everybody the lake. Um, Beautiful night. But I just wanted to come out here and say this and thank them where I wouldn't normally be able to do this. And thank all of you for watching it, watching everything that's happened. I get that a lot of things I do aren't as exciting for you. I can only do what I do. I try to make videos that I think you'll like, and I this might sound selfish, but I make videos that I want to see, and forever, this will be, as long as YouTube is around, this will be on YouTube, and it'll be history. It'll be history of me and David and my whole family. And I thank everyone that wants to come along with it. And I get if I don't have a gazillion subscribers, it's okay too. But I appreciate every one of you who's been here along the way. And trust me, I know who you are. And I try to respond to everyone no matter what. And again, this bonfire is something that like I said, I would have liked to have done last year, but it's happening this year. And go back and look at my channel. There's a couple of other bonfires. The last one that David and I had together, not just David, because Brittney was here as well. Um, Obviously Wendy, but I'm saying Brittney, who lives in Connecticut, was here for that one, and the bonfire of August 1st, 2019. Um, that was the benchmark, I suppose, for what we did. So again, this video is the week of celebrating David, and I'm sorry it might seem too long, or you don't want to watch these, you can always skip ahead. But this is my life, and I appreciate all you coming along with it. And I really love having the extended family of all you who watch. So again, thanks for watching and enjoy this video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's April break and we are heading off to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to be staying with my dad. He lives about 20 minutes inland from North Myrtle Beach, so that's where we're heading today. We are going to celebrate my late brother's 31st birthday. Unfortunately, my family had a tragedy in July of 2019. My brother was killed while he was at work. He was a South Carolina DOT employee, and a truck struck both him and his coworker and killed them instantly. So we are going to celebrate what would have been his 31st birthday. So that's where we're heading. Good morning, everyone. We just woke up. It's our first morning here in South Carolina. We're just having some coffee and we're just gonna hang out. I'll introduce you to my dad and Wendy today. I think Kevin and my dad are going to plant some trees around the land here. They have 45 acres, so my dad's always doing something. And I think we're gonna take the boat out a little bit later, and then we're gonna go over to one of my favorite restaurants, Captain Jewel's Hurricanes. It is a beautiful sunny day today, perfect day for a boat ride to dinner. It is about 4 p.m. and 82 degrees, so really have lucked out with the day today. Don't trip.
Yeah, careful, careful.
This is Dylan.
Yeah,
That's my stepbrother, Dill.
yeah.
Where are we going?
Boat?
On the boat? And where are we gonna go for dinner?
Hurricane.
Yeah, is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you check the water?
So the bridge is turning. So that's normally a bridge that you would drive over. And I don't know what road that is, but
That's Sea Mountain Highway.
Sea Mountain Highway. Waterfront restaurant. Have you ever been there? Oh, we have been to Fillets. Fillets was not good. We did go to Fillets in the summer, and that was not good. Do not recommend. And then this on my right is Captain Archie's. That's a fun bar that my dad likes to go to. They have an indoor and outdoor area.
coming up on hurricanes. And he's gonna dock us. Yeah. What kind of knot are you doing?
Doing just a standard goose knot.
A goose knot.
Cleat knot.
A cleat knot. Kevin, what kind of knot are you doing? Just a regular old knot? How was the boat ride?
Good?
Good?
What's the boat
It
ride?
was good. Still busy in the summer, and the Sea Screamer goes really fast, and that's really popular here. So the owner, Dana, is famous for her cakes here. They are so good. The banana is my favorite. What's your favorite, Kev? I know Ethan likes the triple chocolate.
They're all good.
Yeah.
Can't make a decision.
It's from here somewhere.
Anybody want a menu? Anybody?
We're gonna have a menu.
You have a menu? Sure.
I don't know where Wendy went.
She got a work call as usual.
These hush puppies are the best.
And the crab dip will be out in a minute, okay? What's that?
Best she crab soup. What'd you guys get?
It's crab dip. Lumpy.
Give it a try.
And look at it, it's still bubbling. Get the bubbles in of that.
Dinner's over. Time to go home. How was your dinner?
Yummy.
Kevin, how was your dinner?
Kevin, you're on video?
How was your dinner? Kevin doesn't want to tell you how his dinner was.
You like it?
How was your dinner?
Good?
Kevin, just leave like a little loop on it so that you could.
This must be the Sunset Tiki.
Have you have a bar hop excursion? Our cruise system from Crab Country Resort. They last 2 to 3 hours. It's 2024.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Each tour is equipped with cups, shot glasses,
This is the swing bridge that was open when we came through, and now you can see it's a regular road. Our boating day is complete. It's about 8:30 p.m. and it was a bit of a brisk ride home. So, good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Show me around, Wendy.
Well,
Give me the full tour.
these ferns, we left outside through all the frost last year, and I thought they were dead. There's
That one looks good, yeah.
It's green coming out. These hostas also thought they were dead. This is how they look right now. These are going to be in front of the beach. My rosemary bush. These are my purple basil. Do you remember these in front of the house last year?
Oh, yeah.
So these will grow like that big bush. I love those.
Do we have any mint for mojitos?
We have mint and mojitos right here. They're growing in nice, also from last year. This I'm going to pick that off. I have tomatoes and peppers right there, over here. This is a banana tree that,
I remember when you got that in. I think I was here when you got these
Yeah.
little ones in.
and
Because that was in your kitchen, right? Did
Yeah.
it start in your kitchen window?
Yeah, and I had a pot it, but it's not doing so good. This is a bay leaf tree. This is a magnolia tree, a fig tree, blueberry bush,
Speaking of blueberry mojitos, pretty soon.
strawberry bush, raspberries, more strawberries. We have lemons and limes here, and another blueberry bush. And they all need to be up-potted or planted in my raised garden bed, which
You're waiting for that to get built.
we're waiting for that. A little bit of a mess.
I didn't see the trees that he did today. Where are those?
Those are way down back with the water. Those are our barrier trees between lot 10. That's enough.
Won't give the air.
They're putting in some little trees, privacy trees. So they're gonna water those now. Kevin just installed these ones today. He did 10 on this side and 11 on the other side, or vice versa. And the fence is up and the trees because someone bought that lot over there. So it's called lot 10, that's what we call it. And so someone just bought that. So they just added the fence and the trees so they have a little bit more privacy. And where my brother shot last. Before he passed was right over here, and that's why they have these reflectors here, because the shell casings are still on the ground over here from when he shot. And these were all things from my brother. So this palette here, one of his coworkers had made, and it actually was at the funeral. And he worked part-time at Harbor Freight. So we worked for the SCDOT, and then he worked for Harbor Freight. So they made this for him. And these are just some of his things, and that was his motorcycle. And his truck. Kevin has to detail that. And then he had some more things from college and speakers, and he went to school for recording arts, so he was big into music.
Good morning, everybody. Today is April 16th, which is David's 31st birthday. Tonight we're going to celebrate by having a bonfire. I'll show you that in a little bit, the pile. Me and Scott are going to work on finishing the beds for Wendy and her garden. And I'm going to detail David's truck. And we'll see what else we got going on today.
Taped. Can't even sneak a peek.
Oh, untape it to sneak a peek. I think we'll want local Loris steaks. We're trying today from a local farm here in South Carolina. Stephen's Farm in Loris, South Carolina. We ordered a sample meat packet for them, and we're going to give it a try tonight for David's birthday. His favorite was steak. Oh boy, here comes food. And they'd like us to not be out here. Here we go.
Got steak, garlic bread, mashed, and corn. David's favorite. It's not my favorite meal, but I do love steak. But I like seafood more.
Here we go. Took about, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I got it. It's pretty well air spaced in there. At least I tried. That big tree, used it as a backbone, got good stuff to burn underneath it. And all these are pretty seasoned except the couple that I just took down the other day. So, give a walk around. So again, most of it all came from over there. And some of the trees, there were a couple that were left over from the August 1st service that we had here for David. I think that bond, I don't know, I'll have to look at it. I think that pile might have been a little bit bigger than this one. But this one's still pretty big. Zoom back. and it probably doesn't look as big on camera, but what will be big is when this thing gets lighted. You're gonna like that, and we'll have a drone shot, and I'll have cameras. I'll have some over there. I'll get them from all angles because this will be pretty impressive. So, not really what I wanted to do. Just, I mean, for the reason of it. But I think David would like it. I know he loved bonfires. The last one that we had with him was in June of 19, and it was on the other side of the finger there. This was a couple of pictures of the last bonfire that we had with David. This was in June of 2019, but he always loved bonfires. Got a new American flag for David's birthday. The first one lasted 21 months. It's still in pretty decent shape, but it was starting to get a little tattered. So I just put that out on the morning of the 16th of his birthday. He would have been 31.
Hi Bruce, how are you?
Hey, Brittney. I think I just cooked myself.
Bruce said he pooped himself.
Oh, nice and shiny.
It is shiny.
Take a little, there's David, going for his ride. There's the lake. I'm gonna take the long way around. We'll go through the woods. This is the creek trail. Oh, we got a couple of low branches here. This is where that picture of David was. Right over here. There's the creek. It's very low water right now. Hasn't rained. The lake is right there. That's where we're going. Got his Elvis chair. There's where the fire is going to be. There's the lake. I got him a Ted Nugent hat signed for his birthday. And his hard hat. And there's the truck all nice and shiny. That's what Yankee Kevin cleaned up.
And that's a piece of wood from the first bonfire that we had for Dave.
I just hope it's far enough away from the
I'm sure the fire department doesn't do something to do with it.
We called the burn line, let them know we're burning.
Oh, you do?
These are the burn line.
That's the table. I didn't wash it though, so there's pollen on it, so don't say anything about this pollen. I got 2 chairs.
How much fuel you got? What are we putting on here?
100 gallons in the tank. I'm probably going to use 40 or 50 of diesel. And we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27 gallons of good old high octane gasoline. That should be enough to make it good.
So this pile is big. It is really hard to, maybe if we show it next to the truck, the 450. It's real big. I think he was getting the drone.
Maybe I won't put one over there. I'll just have the ones over there. Dyed diesel, off-road diesel.
I've never seen red gas before.
Yeah, it's diesel. They put it, has no tax on it. Yeah, put it in a vehicle that goes on the road. At least you're not supposed to.
So we're getting the fire all set up. It's gonna be a big one.
Dale, come sit. Dale, you scared us.
Yeah.
You scared us, Dale?
Yeah. Happy birthday, David.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Here it goes. There it goes still.
Hold on to your shorts.
It's like finally.
I'm explaining.
You're yelling.
I'm explaining. And you could play it just like not even this. This is not a fast song. Yeah. Yeah. We're not counting. Yeah. It's about 11:15, and this thing will be going till probably Wednesday. But I'll rake it around tomorrow and push it up, and should all be gone.